columns with some new analysis, right? So for now, this is the exercise and this is the sheet that I have already downloaded. So it's saying that first we need to add the tour length. It's a tour like a concert or something, artist tour type of data. So in here we do not have any calculated column. So first is we need to find out the tour length, right? So I will name the column as tour length, right? And then I will subtract the starting year and the ending year, right? So start year by ending year, right? If I just do this and click enter, then it will give me plus, minus, or something like that. Either we can use this or we can also add one more thing here, which is plus one, which will give us, right? So now if you see, it's giving us one, but we should have, let's say, start here is 87, then 88, and then 89. We should have 3 years here, right? Total tour length. So what I will do for this, I will use absolute here and the numbers, and then this. If I click enter, now what absolute do, it, if your value is in minus or positive, it just neutralize all the subtraction or addition, and it will give us the total difference, right? If it's 2005 and 2008, it will give us the total difference. How much is the difference? No plus or minus values, right? So for now, if you see 1987, then 1989, ideally it should be 2, but we are taking as start year and end year, so it's total of 3, right? So now we got our tour length from here, and now if I add this to a visual, we will take one table, right? And we will take artist, tour name, start year, end year, tour length. I will take artist from here and tour name from here, and then start year, end year, and tour length, right? So if I just drag this like this, so, and if you want to get same output, if I just sort it by descending order here, like this, so Elton John is the one with 6 years of tour, this one, and then Rolling Stones chairs, right? And then it's saying that we can add one more table with the artist name only, right? Not the end or start date. But if I just took one more table, artist, and then tour length, and if I just do this, then scrolling, right? Now it's saying that add 3 more columns according to the table shown below, right? Shows per year. Now what I will do, I will click on this table view, I will click on this new column, and I will take shows per year, right? We wanted to show the shows per year. For this, it's giving us that divide shows by tour length, right? So we do have the shows column, so shows divide by tour length, right? If I click enter, then it will give me shows per year. It will give us the average of the shows, right? So if you can see right now, we are having multiple digits after the dot. You can just click here and you can adjust the dot till 2 only, right? And then you will have a much great number. And then the next column is average show revenue, right? So divide actual gross by shows. So if I click on new column and this, and we will take actual gross by the shows, right? It's giving us average revenue and then average attendance. Then we will take attendance by the show, right? Attendance divided by show. So this is how we got our all the 3 or 4 calculated columns. And if I just put this in a table or something, then we can get these numbers, shows per year, something like appropriate like this. So there is one more thing, average shows revenue. If you want to show your revenue in dollar or some other currencies, what you will do in this format pane, click on this, and instead of journal just choose currency, right? So see, right now it's giving me dollar. So this is how you add all these calculated columns. And if you want to just check the values or something else, you can just put this in the table here, right? And you can see now by the artist the sum of average shows or shows per year. And you can also make some graphs if you like, right? So like this is an example where if I just remove the revenue from here, and if I just remove this, so it will give us some output.